Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today we will open and heal your throat chakra, which is also called as Vishuddha. This throat chakra is the center of communication, truth, and your authentic voice. As I create this blue mandala, allow your breath to steady, your thoughts to quiet, and your voice, your inner voice, to awaken gently. Close your eyes softly and relax your gaze. Bring your awareness to the throat. It's the space between your collarbones and your chin. Take a slow breath in and exhale gently. Feel the air passing through your throat. Notice its movement, its temperature, and its softness. Now imagine a soft blue glow forming in your throat, which is calm, cool, and gentle. The soft blue glow has the color of the sky, or of flowing water, or of peaceful truth. With each inhale, this blue light grows brighter. With each exhale, it expands outward, relaxing your neck, relaxing your shoulders, and your entire upper body. As I place each dot on this mandala, imagine the dots sending waves of calm. The waves of calm passes through your throat, melting away the tension, loosening up the old fears, softening any tension around speaking your truth. Now visualize yourself standing behind a quiet lake. The water is still, the water is smooth, and the water is alive too. The sky above is a soft blue, which is stretching endlessly in all directions. Now the world feels spacious, peaceful, and open too. You walk closer to the lake and gently kneel beside it. Your reflection looks back at you, steady, calm, and honest. Watch your reflection. It represents the truth of who you are, without fear, without hesitation, without pretending. Now imagine gathering blue light from your throat and sending it gently into your reflection. And as the light touches your reflection begins to glow. Softly at first, then brighter, as if awakening. Your reflection smiles gently. It says the words, "You are allowed to speak your truth." Feel these words land deep in your heart. Feel them settle in your body. Now imagine placing your hand gently over your throat. Feel its warmth, feel its pulse, feel its energy. Your throat is ready to open, ready to heal, and ready to express. Now imagine a blue lotus flower blooming inside your throat, petal by petal, layer by layer. It is soft, bright, and open. This lotus is your voice, your unique expression, your inner clarity. With each breath, it opens more and more. As I continue creating this mandala, imagine each dot clearing another layer, a layer of fear, a layer of doubt, a layer of silence and insecurity. Old memories of being unheard or misunderstood or afraid to speak slowly dissolve into blue light and disappear like a mist. You no longer carry those moments. You no longer carry those weights. Your voice is important. Your truth is sacred. Your words definitely matter. Now imagine standing tall, facing the blue morning sky. With each breath, your voice becomes lighter, stronger, and authentic. You don't need to shout. You do not need to prove. Your truth speaks quietly. Your truth speaks clearly. And your truth speaks powerfully. Stay here for a few breaths in a soft blue glow, fully in clarity, honesty, and peace. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either say it out loud or you can repeat mentally. Anything is fine, but repetition is important. My voice matters. My voice matters. I express my truth with confidence and calm. I express my truth with confidence and calm. I release fear and speak from my heart. I release fear and speak from my heart. My words carry love and authenticity. My words carry love and authenticity. I am heard, I am understood, I am free to express. I am heard, I am understood, and I am free to express. Take a gentle breath in and exhale softly. Feel the lightness around your throat, this new openness, and this new clarity. If this meditation helped you, for your voice to feel free or lighter, share in the comments about how you feel. Your words may encourage someone. Someone else may speak the truth because of you.